Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, man, in the Monday morning now. You're really glad to be alive. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, go set me something there. Yeah, man, go set me watch. You know, see it. And trust me, yeah, man. Me now make my content be too long this morning. And I give thanks to the people them. Sometimes I do some content we are almost 40 minutes. 40 minutes. 50 odd minutes. Sometimes almost an hour. And the people them take time out and see it and watch it, I'm a give thanks to them people still. But as I say, I'm gonna make it short this morning because certain things I want to touch upon. Yeah, man. And give thanks for the much 900 almost 981 subscriber me have. You know, see. Yes, I go see about 19 subscribers more for touch 1,000. Yes, but what I say now, brother, I not really, because as I say, I not make me think too long. Because I cut them short now because I'm speaking about certain issues, But one mind, right now, I just go start the meeting them. Most of my content them now, I just go start do my content them. You know, see it. Because the morning was quiet. At what time now? Let me check for what time now. At 21 minutes past 5 now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm there. You know, me, myself, and I, and wifey Jim. Because I always post some content about me, myself, and I. You see, and wifey Jim. Yes. So what I talk about now, I go straight to the point right now. I go talk about my hero, this man here. Hope the camera pick it up clearly, This man is my hero. I talk about him already, Yeah, man. And see, picture up and back same way. Because I'm creative, Long time I put, this a man, I got the first man about the place that put people picture up and shirt, But I do them thing again because I pay dead people, them put on shirt nowadays. So I really put people picture up and shirt again. Yeah, man. See the boss again, See my area again, Yeah, man, when they mash up Beijing and all them sitting there. Because I told, when I come on to sports, and great men, I told man in my gym, and with 2 man alone, me in my gym, Because I'm a sports fan, I'm a sports fan, I'm a sports fanatic. Every kind of take time talking, I got through, see it. Through Moses bed, through my stammer, me can speak so eloquent. Yeah, man, so I have to take time call me words them. But me nah make that stop me from see it from speak my mind. Yeah, man, as I say, see me man love sports. A sports mind thing them is a man become like old Tracy. I might touch upon some other topics, but my main thing right now, see it. As sports. That's why I rate him African, I rate old Tracy, Yeah, man, the man just doing things human, so just, yeah, man, that's how things set. As I say, a Usain Bolt and King Pele. When you come on the football, the man Pele is my goat. When you come on the track and field, Usain Bolt, yes, I'm my goat. So I say big up the Messi fan them, Messi is a good player, man. But me I just Pele, here, and in 1970 Brazil side. Yeah, man. See it. So what I touch upon now about this Virgin. I make it to, because I don't tell people say already, say. When I want to say about, because enough thing I want, what I say, because I want to go more than 20 minutes this morning. You know, understand me? Yes. So, you see this Usain Bolt, this is brother, to me, because I'm a fan of Usain Bolt from 2002. From 2002, when he win the World Junior. You know, see it? A stadium, in a yard here. This a youth here. This a Jamaican youth here. You understand me? Because I cut this out of paper right now. I cut this out of gleaner, you know. Yeah, man. I cut this out of the newspaper and carry a Z-Wax and watch it and build me shut. Yeah, man. Because the man, because I go show you some things. You see all the man, you see all the bolt, you see all the bolt that come here when bolt and mash up already. Because I'm going to take out a few of them, you know, for showing you know. You know, see it? Yeah, man, this is what? 2008. Yeah, man, when both them mash up. When both them mash up Beijing and all them sitting there. Me have them. Yeah, man, me have them. See me, because I plan for build frame for them, you know. Me have them thing here. With my ego, same way. You understand me? See me same way. Yeah, man. See my Millennium Walker here. When them people they mash up Beijing 2000, me have them newspaper same way. You know, see it? In my barrel. In one barrel. Yeah, man. With me film negative them. Yeah. See all the 9 point. See when the man win set the record at 9. Me have them thing of because I go frame up them thing, you know. And I go have a part in my place, you know. In my house, you know, when I go display them, you know. So my grandkids, you know, and my great grandkids, you know, and my great grandkids, you know. Because I'm not planning for dead for now, you know. Me not plan for dead. Because I not come for dead. A life me think about, you know. Me plan for live for see Jesus Christ return. That's my plans. I keep away from certain people and keep my circle small. Because I now follow, you know, in a seat. They try to get rich and die trying. No, I mean not that. So I keep my circle small. I mean I sell out myself for money. Because I want to live to see, yeah man, to live to see some. So I live all kids to all my inner seat. Although a 3 boy pick me get still, I don't know how much more pick me go get. And the man don't want no bag of pick me. For me pick them no one because my first boy I get 2 pick me. I like no one no more. You know see. My second boy I get 1 pitney. I like no one no more. Because I know say no one, them man going to breed up no man, you know, man. Because if me talk my life story and how my 2 boys then come out. I talk about my 2 boys then big up Jacinth fear with that. No matter you talk about my first baby mother, man, but big up Jacinth fear with that. Boy, me and tell you better. Fear life, fear thing I want to be a different story. Because I go stay, come tell me people. Me feel more confident in my yard right now. You understand me? And what the fuck? Me say, me tell the people good morning to all the viewers from, you know, see. Upon the voice of Bed Miller. Me always say, big up Soko. Big up Soko. And I have big up Power now because Power see me thing a shot Atlanta. So me have fans Atlanta, me have fans globally right now upon a certain levels. So as I say, Usain Bolt to my ear better. Usain, I'm going to take long before me going on before me talk about certain things. Me tell people say no. I will move them now. Want to see what things are going on still now. Me tell people say, as what I say, the Usain Bolt, since the year 2000, since the year 2000, since the new millennium, the year 2000, Usain Bolt, Usain St. Leader Bolt, Usain Lightning and Thunderbolt. You know see it? Usain Bolt are the greatest Jamaican, the greatest person to come out of Jamaica. You know see it? The greatest globally me are talking now. Since the year 2000, you know. I don't talk fan since Jamaica. And fan since Jamaica come into existence. But if you check it out still, Usain Bolt are going to go be the greatest Jamaican. Yeah, man. Otherwise, because Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey, the man they think the global on levels. But in the modern time right now, Usain Bolt popular than all Bob Marley right now. Because you go on TikTok. Let me give thanks to TikTok, because TikTok have it good on anybody, because some people abuse TikTok and do a bag of foolishness on TikTok. But you have TikTok is a good media what really future certain things. I'm glad for TikTok, and TikTok I keep both things alive on the levels, because like it come like a China, because the China them control TikTok and all them sitting in a man dip on TikTok, Because like we Jamaicans, because the Jamaicans stay, Jamaicans we back here, and call up a name and praise when you do your things, But when you do nothing, Jamaicans, you see some of them Jamaican people, yeah, because every Jamaican people stay so, and every Jamaican people stay so. Some of them stay so. When you're up in a seat, yeah, man, you have some Jamaican people when you're up, they don't know you when you're up, but when you're down, they don't care a damn about you. Yeah, man. Yes. Because when I want people to know, say, this and brother are the greatest. Come here, because the topic I want to touch upon enough. Me people they talk about Bob Marley and Miss Slow. We get national hero. I say, yes, the Bob Marley and Miss Slow we get national hero a long time. But me not hear nobody talk about Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt we get national hero too. Usain Bolt we get national hero. Because I know if I'm the only person who will speak up on the topic, I mean, and stop talking about it. Because this year, we take up this package, but I don't to indulge with this yet, because I go talk about certain things, This is Bolt. You see them a thing, I'm glad to be the only photographer. Them, I know the camera, they catch it up. Them are the film negative. I tell people say me are the only photographer, man, of both high school life, But them are the negative about graduation. When you graduate in a seat. When you graduate from graduation. See it, yeah? Them in a seat. I'm tell you, man, Judge knows they clean like a whistle. See you like when we get them from pews, them clean like a whistle. Yeah, man. Both graduation and both graduation ball. Yeah, man, I'm a photographer about graduation. In a seat. 2003. Yeah, man, all the negative them this. We go touch back on this same way. I'm going to talk about some certain things still. Alright, this is a 2003 Knibb School graduation pictures them. 2004. So if both graduate 2003, if a 2004 both graduate, me have 2004. You understand me? This is one This is one of 2001 Knibb School graduation pictures them. You know see? This is one of 2002 Knibb School graduation pictures them. You understand me? Yeah, man. And it's a one at the year 2000. At the first time of the first graduation of the Knibb School. The man negative yeah, of Marvin Anderson and him Monday. Marvin Anderson and Tina. Tina that are 2002 graduation, where Marvin Anderson did graduate. And girls like her, Tina Anthony B, the girl I want Anthony B also have a relationship. Come here, get you understand, say, she have a youth with Anthony B. One girl. The girl was about 12 or 13 years old. Tina, the girl one of the prettiest girl that's the girl one of the prettiest girl that tried to Knibb. Prettiest girl that they win the girl in times they have peer muggling contest and then girls will win everything. And she and Anthony B used to deal. Me have fear pictures them. So all of me I say, me proud for know say, you know see it. I touch back on both, me proud for know say, me have both high school lifestyle. Me tell her say, I'm going to buy the film scanner. Me tell her say, I'm going to buy a film scanner, brother. You know see it. So, as I say, so for me touch back on that now, I go back on, you know see, on the bold thing and the evil thing. You see when they enter 15 minutes, so as I say, boy, I tell you so much every time about as the queens of the time, at times I fly out, but as I say, if you notice we enter upon the school compound and we are enter to the office area. We are enter to the office area. You know see it. Yeah man, to the main office. We are go to the principal office. We are go to the bursary office and the administration office. At the entry and Knibb right there, so them have all the EOS them pictures display. For the front of the building. All the EOS them pictures them display. For the front of the building. Alongside with the Usain Bolt out of the end. Usain Bolt picture out of the end, you know. You know see it? And to me, so why they, because Apostle Jamaica Baptist Union run Knibb school, you know. Because Knibb school is a Baptist school, you know, because Mr. William Knibb was a Baptist preacher, you know. You know see, if them people they see it fitted for display a bold picture amongst the heroes them. You understand me? And say, you know, the world famous Knibb school luminary and so forth. Yeah man, amongst the heroes them, among the 7 other heroes them, bold picture right beside them. And me kinda surprised you know say, you know see, me not hear nobody from Knibb, nobody from the Knibb fraternity, for the Knibb I know see, for the Knibb I ranks them. I speaks about forget hero. You say you say about forget national hero of Jamaica. And you say about a nation build the same way. You say about can inspire the young generation. The man, this a man, you think it's easy for win 3 consecutive Olympic 100-meter finals, and 200-meter too. 3 consecutive, you know. But hard work that you put down in the brother. You understand me? Because we all know say Olympics 100-meter are the highlight. When it comes to Olympics games, the 100-meter are the main attraction globally. And what is you blood, sweat and tears whether you put on to win 3 consecutive Olympic. From your boy, me hear about Olympic, you know, brother. From your boy, you know, from Dan Quarry days, me watch Olympic. Me have interest in the Olympics, you know. From 1976, you know. When Dan Quarry go close on the 100 meter, come second. I hear the Crawford from Trinidad. You know, see it. And Dan Quarry come win the 200 meter in 1976. And from 1976, Jamaica has come close again for winning. Because we have Raymond Stewart when they try. You understand me? You know, see, back in the days. Yeah, man. That's why when Ben Johnson did win the 1988 100-meter finals. We are from to celebrate in such a way. Ben Johnson won with Canada still. Jamaican bank. Because all we know Ben Johnson. You know, see. Yeah, man. Because my uncle Zai. Yeah, man. Know Ben Johnson. What do we know Ben Johnson? Ben Johnson. And my uncle Zai used to love Ben Johnson because I know Ben Johnson from Ben Johnson boy because Ben Johnson and Betty, our family. I must be Betty little brother. Yeah, man. Just like we love Usain Bolt, as the uncles I used to love Ben Johnson. Yeah, man, because the man they love sports. Yeah. Yeah, man, so what may I say? Ben Johnson did win it. Big celebration of Falmouth during Gilbert. We were so happy. And so for we start celebrate. And then by almost the Friday or the Saturday, he did win it. And by the Sunday, the Monday, we see the man, they get test positive for steroid and all them. Sitting big disappointed, people disappointed. People, we feel it so much. In a seat. Donovan Bailey from Jamaican parentage winning again same way, but we don't know Donovan Bailey too much from Canada same way. In a seat. But now I tell you one say. My the greatest sporting moment me witness when I watch sport. Can I watch sport from black and white TV? You know, from the idea me I watch sports. The greatest sporting moment for me is when Usain Bolt win the 100-meter final in a Beijing 2008 and beating chess and set record. This is one of the greatest human being come out of Jamaica right now. I mean, the fastest human being on earth. Still is the fastest human being on earth. Because right now I get mad in a man, yo. Let me say get mad in a man. No, man. I was sitting there. You think no, man? You think 9.58 I want to use the thing for run? Eh? You think 9.58 I want to use the thing for run, me brother? Eh? This was in the Olympics, you know. This was the World Games, you know. You think 9.58 I use something for run? This is a man to get national hero, brother. I show them people that know the guts and heart what they youth to do. To gain in to be such a greatness. Yeah, you have to discipline. You have to have self-discipline. Me and the youth interview, you know. In 3-part interview with our Ian boy, you know. I'm tell people say, man, you see me, brother, me say man grieve, you know, man. When I say grieve, you know. You know, for me start, I go just draw up your name look right, you know. Come not want to talk about all the man there, you know. Come not call him baby Trump again because the Trump they go on with some things right, you know. When I kind of like on the levels because Trump lick out they burn fire, they try to stop certain things with the transgender them. Because Trump say male to be male and female to be female. So Trump just stand up against certain system going on in the world right now. Just like when Bruce said, you know, one on Guinean cabinet. So that's me always big up Bruce Golding. I always big up the leaders them in the world who was stand up against certain ungodly principle. So I don't call him a baby Trump again, you know. I call him the bro devil the same way. I call him the bro devil. That's why for my content, they cannot take on baby Trump and from the content when talk. Women talk, you know see it? Yes. Change the caption and put Bo Devil. Remove baby Trump and put Bo Devil. Yeah, man. The point that I touch upon, brother. You see, since this man, you see, because we all know, say, a Bo Devil and his friend them control SSL. You know, see, a Bo Devil and his friend them control SSL. After the time, I burn fire upon all. You see, a matter of fact, I burn fire upon Bo Devil from 2020. And untreat poor people during the I don't want to call the word again. Because I don't want to get no something there. I don't want to get no community strike again. That's why I tell Power, say Power more than ever touch upon certain topic, you know. More than I never touch upon certain topic, you know. Because you know see, because I believe in a work and integrity. And that I believe in work and integrity. Because the work about work. We all know about getting riches from. And it grieve me when the demand them in a seat. Thief all the youth money, my youth. In a seat. 12.7 million US. 2 billion Jamaican intake from the youth, you know. 2 billion. You think I tell them, man, 2 billion. You see, I don't want a man with a sit down, so I know the time about that. And I know the man can't get back his money. Because me as a people from SS, me as a people from SSL get back money, you know. And both they get no money, you know. But both just sit down and drop in word panel in a seat. Panel Twitter, you know. Because both they want to know how to take his money, you know. And you can't get back no money, you know. All of my people chat about finsack this and finsack that. You know, see. And it grieve me if you know to the youth, blood, sweat and tears. Because me the youth talk say, boy, doing all in training, so they vomit for y'all, you understand me? And any man is any, because they're from the Jamaican people, who know bad mind and tan, you see, because any man, me say which man can bad mind Usain Bolt? Usain Bolt make we happy. When Usain Bolt take a track, Olympics time, we talk about Olympics time, because Olympics are keep for years right now, years upon years. The first Olympic was keep down at Greece from way back. Olympics are one global something. Usain Bolt get national hero, brother. Nobody not talks to Usain Bolt. Nobody not talks to Usain Bolt forget national hero, you know. Not even people who never talk to forget national hero, you know. Me not hear nobody. I speak out. People that speak of Bob Marley and Miss Lou. Bob Marley and Miss Lou forget it long time. And we don't want no national icon of foolishness. The man forget the highest honor in the country. That's why I know the board developing and him organization, they don't love sports. You understand me? Look what Usain Bolt have done for us. Because that's every give thanks to TikTok still, you know. Although TikTok turn off Jamaican people in idiot still, you know. TikTok turn off our Jamaican people because Jamaican people them abuse everything, you know. Them abuse TikTok. I saw them abuse. You should abuse Facebook. That's why I'm gonna post picture on Facebook again. Yes. Because me almost lose my life of a Facebook. Yeah. But you have to give thanks to TikTok, because I go back TikTok and see one time halfway 3 square. When halfway 3 square ram up when Bolt a run. Man with them Dutch pot cover, ram up. From 2008 to 2016, Jamaican them happy when come on to Olympics time. Look how disappointed Jamaican was in a seat in the last Olympics. And look how the Americans them behave. When you feel say some people in America like we Jamaican, and Usain Bolt make American athlete bow down to him. Bow down to him. This is one of the greatest Jamaican ever for me. The man is the fastest man in the world. All they want to try for do. Because this one little brother come from Australia right now. One black youth them a big up. All them want to do a buck Usain Bolt record. That's all they want to do. And we get we have a hero amongst us. And all the man not get no all them do, them thief man money, them trick Bolt, you know, and take all the youth money. You know, see, to the youth, yeah man, to the youth, sure, a man will just keep quiet, so a man if it say nothing, and not even Bolt money alone, all the people them have money with them thief in the SSL. You understand me? I told them say finsack thief money, so they man thief money see me. Them thing if it stop, brother. You have to get back your money, my youth. Both for those call the word, we just demonstrate. Because Nigel Clark gone, you know. Nigel Clark run every ship and gone, you know. Because Usain Bolt now get back no money. You now get back no money and no percentage of money. Because I don't want to find Usain Bolt, you know. I don't beg Usain Bolt that thing, you know. But Usain Bolt is my hero. I'm glad the whole of Jamaica Usain Bolt, they get national hero. You know, see, because if this girl from Barbados can't get it in a fair country, so white girl can't get it in Jamaica. A young girl same way, and both a young youth same way. White girl cannot get it. Eh? Both need to get it. Because I hear nobody from William they speak out. Say both to get national hero. I'm matter of fact, Knibb school need to change. Knibb school need to change from William Knibb High School, from William Knibb Memorial High School to Usain Bolt High. Just like you have Dan Quarry High School and you have Merlin at the high school, Knibb can change to Usain Bolt. Because I say the same thing to somebody in a man to be brought in Queenland, you know. And Queenland say, it's a good idea. We can't call Queenland name to, you know. Queenland is outstanding youth to, you know, brother. Because Queenland reason one time, you know. But so heights are reason, you know. But Queenland and Bolt are virgin, you know. You know Queenland from Marty by there. Because Queenland mother go to school together. Queenland is one talented youth same way. Because when Queenland tell me about when you used to run, because them time when Queenland run for and Knibb, I told me never used to follow the tracks with them when I say. Remember they used to follow the football. Because we used to go Western champs back in them days there. The only Western champs we did capture, I when Western champs then keep on Knibb. And Marvin win the 100 and the 1 and 2. But when Western champs keep outside, me never used to go. And Queenland tell me say he perform well and says he mean champion, and when he got town never win the final and so forth. Queenland and Bolt are brethren. Heartical brethren. Yeah man, I will tell Queenland say man Bolt the name of the school for change to Usain Bolt High, and Queenland's a good idea. Yeah man. Yeah man, I tell that all the while man, the Knibb school name change to Usain Bolt High School. Give them man the honest, yeah man, a big honor that same way too. Nothing significant. Don't name off about. Only put Usain Bolt track on your way. Eh? And what Usain Bolt have to do with you way? Because I don't want to touch upon the topic there. Because a Usain Bolt track on you, nobody can go there so. I race as people in train this alone. None big track meet can keep this up. Before Porsche did in office, Porsche we want name it Trinidad Multipurpose Stadium and half a Bolt. And call it Usain Bolt Sports Academy. Because Porsche say a full time something significant for name half a Bolt. So we are telling you now power. Power, when I tell you if you just keep quiet and attack, me gone 23 minutes. If 40 people watch this out better, German respect you. Where you want I have to keep quiet? But nothing at all. They don't name off for the youth. Nothing significant. And then turn on thief $2 billion for the youth. This is the greatest Jamaican. This is the greatest man come out of Jamaica. Big up to Bob Marley, one of the greatest. Alongside Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey. This is a man that touch the world globally. Globally, it's a man of impact. And know the youth have impact on the world same way. Because they want to be like Usain Bolt. So you want to tell me, no great inspiration that. As I say, man, William Knibb High School for change to Usain Bolt High School. And a statue of Usain Bolt for put up over Knibb School. Not in a Falmouth Water Square. Just like if Marcus Garvey statue in the yard a sentence be a library. A statue of Bolt for put over Knibb School. So when you enter, when I put up Bolt, put amongst the heroes them, put up Bolt statue over Knibb School. Bolt statue for the Knibb School. So when you them walk into the school compound, then can say that can be an inspiration to the youth them. And a sports complex to believe in Knibb School fan in the city. Because a shame and disgrace now. No sports complex can build a Knibb School. I want the boy to take him on and build sports complex. Both can mobilize people, yes. Because if we not change the name of the school to Usain Bolt, when I say Usain Bolt to put out effort and get Puma and them people to build a sports complex over there. Enough time Bolt go no money. Enough time the man are going to boss everything. You know, see it? Because when I bought graduation, you know, I'm going to close out by saying, no, because right now, I'm going to close out by saying, man, see the man graduation picture them, me have them. And I want people to know, say, all the people them, because I go, you know, see it, all the people them, because I go talk about that on one different topic. So who want about them pictures? Every picture me take at Knibb school, me have them. Every picture me take at Knibb school, me have them. And I want the Knibb school, I want the Knibb school website for know say. Just when me rise my film scanner, because nobody help me buy, you know. When me rise my film scanner, and me start spit out them negative, yeah. You know, see, without vote on everybody and mark in the whole of them. Because me have, yeah man, when me start spit out them pictures, yeah. You know, see, me now post them on social media. People will contact me, because sell me, I sell them. I'm on a Knibb website, you know, say, boy, they have to fork out their money. Any picture they want for me, all time picture, they have to fork out their money, because they check me already, you know. But me now print on picture and get on the school website, them, you know. They now get my pictures, them, you know, because them now gold mine. Them now gold mine. You know what people check me? Me have them see me every picture me take, me have them. Me have them on CD. See me CD burner, yeah? And me can burn them and see it. You understand me? Me just save them on thumb drive. You know, I save them on thumb drive again. You know, see it? And external hard drive, you save them on. It's a 1 terabyte. I'm going to buy one 5 and so forth terabyte and save all the pictures them. Every single picture me take, me have them. So if Usain Bolt wanting high school picture, all who graduate with Usain Bolt, like a Blackie fan compound for your daughter and Ingrid and them girls there. The whole them take picture with Bolt. You know, see, don't forget national hero, brother. I want to say, a man, if Buster man to get it, if Buster man to get it with my life, why Bolt can't get it? Why Bolt cannot get it? When I go on and trick people and I say, and I divide the people them. When I can't control my mind, you know. I can't about devil, you know. At time I control the mind of the people. When I can't control my mind, I speak out. Power, I have to speak out in my country. Because I live in my country. I'm glad to know Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt and my kids them go to school together. Usain Bolt and my big son. Born the same year, the same month. Yeah man, Charles born the 10th of August. Usain Bolt, 1986. Usain Bolt must have born the 21st of August. August Usain Bolt born too. Bolt and my boy go to school together. That's why my boy when tell me say boy when Bolt they at school Bolt take a trouble same way. Bolt take a trouble because tell him father come deal with him. I mean Bolt talk all time out other day when he come and Knibb say him father come up they come wax him up. Because Bolt ain't behave himself. Both are inspiration to the younger generation. That's why I tell kids, say, if you don't leave school with no bag of subjects, that is no failure in life. They don't know the condition, what do you them do when them all the 6 years and them sitting there. Because 6 years don't want to hear something for passing. You don't judge a youth by a person by 6 years passes them. Judge a person by in content and in character within doing in high school. Because all who graduate with both 2003, 2004, they not have, none of them are rich like Bolt. Not one of them don't rich like Usain Bolt. Because nothing wrong with being rich, you know. I'm not against riches, you know. But all you come by your richness. All you come by your richness. And that's why me believe in it. And we all know how Usain Bolt come by feeling riches. Because already integrity commissioner, the symbol the arm say bro devil, how you come by your riches. Explain how you come by your riches. Yeah, my richness. How you come by your richness. Explain to us how you come by your richness. And all of the man can 3 years no one all them saying I pay to go pass they go on. And I bring up this and I bring up that and chat a bag of crap. You understand me? A man if you talk about certain things, when man talk about certain things, When you talk about politics, you see it. You understand me? Me love my Jamaican people them. That's why me can talk hand and on. I just say me go do my content pan. In my gym. In my me, myself and wife in gym. Because Uncle Bolt and Pele me was man in so. I pay a sexy girl me have. Woman and so. Because I love woman. Them, you see how them go. I'm a friend them. The social friend them. I friend them. Same way. Yeah man. I just say I go stay because the place quiet now. You understand me? I just because I'm done. Come here like bus sweat already. I don't put on no bag. I put on my black job bag and do my thing. So I just go burn me fire them. Yes sir. You know me, myself and wife gym. I just go burn me fire them. With Usain Bolt, my hero. Usain Bolt. This man is my hero. You can't tell me nothing at all. My living hero this one. This man to get national hero of Jamaica. No damn national icon. That's why I put national icon because that's the one game. Me I speak of for Usain Bolt because I can identify my school life with Usain Bolt. Because I see trouble at school same way. I'm not left high school with no bag of subjects. But I say same amount of subjects both left William Knibb with, and the same amount of subjects me left William Knibb with. And we man talk certain about no fun of vex up on yourself and we can't talk and. So power, big up yourself power, and big up yourself Soko, and big up all the Knibb school past student them. Globally. And not even Knibb alone, states too. Because me and like Junior Bloomfield. You see I shot at it. Yeah, man, the states go there with no lies there. Me have shot at high school, memory see me. Shot and Stacy and Williams and all them girls. Me have them pictures. That's why we give thanks to the Most High. Because I don't want to photograph sit down at high school with the kids them. And take picture for them if look like nothing. And capture the high school memories. So me have Junior Bloomfield glorious days them when they win all the four gold medal them at champs. Me have shot at all. But shot everybody but shot would enough woman a bad mind and all them sitting there. But shot go and live a life here, my girl. Become the struggle when you go through. Become your mother. And the struggle with your mother. Because your mother pass off and so forth. I mean respect you because I know shot they come from. I know shot a boyfriend what shot when they are shot the same Junior Bloomfield, shot we call her. You see it? Back in the days when she said, me know a little boyfriend what she used to have. And look on Shatter now. Look on Shatter now. Shatter have the Shatter and the second. And Shatter. You feel laugh. Shatter and they want to be Usain Bolt. You want to be great like Usain Bolt. I man Shatter they right now. So me can't talk and 42 minutes now. But the 42 minutes are when people watch it and people view it. Because I go continue. Because I say this is going to be because every talk about some more, so all people can get back them pictures and so forth. I don't me pray right now. Me not pray sometimes I don't to watch what people say. It's a reason I say me and Michael Manley Pitney. I'm in a PMP. Because Michael Man is greater than the PMP. That I Soko rate me and Soko say boy, yeah man. Because through me make them statement there. Me a MMP. Yeah man. Because Michael Man was for the people them, the poor people them. Yeah man. Just like you can't say another Michael Jackson, you can't say another Michael Man. Michael Man is the greatest. This have nothing to do with politics. Because what people if you know saying man. You know see it. Yeah man. People know say me not no argument with the Bow Devils followers them and so forth. Because me not burn fire upon JLP, you know. A Bow Devil me a burn fire upon, you know. The devil, you know. Because I don't call him baby chump. Because chump have some good things with him right, you know. What chump have show. Me a burn fire upon the devil. And this is what nobody want to say. We love the Jamaican people, them. You know see it. You didn't treat you saying me a burn fire upon the devil. Find how the devil prosecute poor people during 2020 and beyond. prosecute poor people and so and put poor people through some things. But them poor people are run up and down by the devil same way. Yeah, man. But I ain't figure out what the devil do 2020. Or what the devil and his friends them do. To both. I must have last year was for the man, when the thief the man money, the man come out and say them give him give them a week to get him money. Eh? And no week, and no weeks turn months, and no months the which almost a year now. And you can't get back $1. I want to chat about FinSat this and FinSat that. We want the man been busy about going on by the one say no. Both to get back his money, brother. Nigel Clark shouldn't left Jamaica and both to get his money. Nigel Clark left and gonna next money making institution and pay money man. Sure. The man's a rob the money, so I wanna go do the money then, brother. I wanna go do the money. And that me a talk about. So power when me defend my Jamaican people them. Just like we know Kimani Man like a boy, they walk with football at Gar Center. And Kimani Man come back and yard I want to build a sports complex for the youths of Machilani. You see, engage and in friend them of the place. They turn foolishness. That's why Kimani cousin when Patrick tell me say the only way Kimani can build a sports complex and let's PMP win back. And let's PMP win back. I'm going to say when PMP win. Because you can't stop the hands of time, you know. Because I'm not too, because I'm been on time with it on social media, the chat about Bo Devil, you see, and Marky G, you know. Because in my struggles in a 2020 and beyond the 2 years when I struggle through them time there, you see. Bo Devil, you see, and Marky G couldn't help me, and Jesus helped me. Jesus helped me and pull me through. And as long as I live on earth, I can't forgive Bo Devil for when I put poor people through. And that's why I'm burn fire. And what I do to my hero. The 2 billion Jamaica when they work for my hero. I burn fire for that. You understand me? And they come and come this Michael Man mash up country in the 70s. Me burn fire for that same too. So who want to like me, because I don't beg friend for nobody. You me say? Me say me prefer walk the street as a madman. I mean I walk the street as a madman still. More than living in corruption. Because too wicked, brother. Uno so wicked. 2 billion uno thief. 2 billion no thief for me here, you know. 2 billion Jamaican, you know. 2 billion, you see it. If both all the man can make it back still, you know. But one thief and the youth, you know. You put on your money, trust you know, and put the money in the company, you see. For your pension, for yourself and your family, and you have the youth money. And all you can't get the money. And people say, man, nothing to talk, nothing. When we chat, man, too political in what way? Eh? The man to get back his money, brother. And I see, and not bolt alone neither. All the people, some of them get back money already still. And that me enough to me have the time saying, brother. I don't want people to know, say me have. I don't want people to know. Me have close off by saying, say, tomorrow me go talk about, you know, see. See me and I carry the picture here. I'm close by saying, see my picture me there and Knibb. This is me a close off with. This is one picture me take with me there and Knibb. And the only picture me have in my Knibb school uniform. I share that the guys they put the pan something there. You me take it. When them some photographer did come, at school come to package picture. This is the biggest picture me they get in a package. The biggest one is that? I believe so. I may get bigger than this. You may get this on some small one. And my uncle Zara, we have this in the album. And I take it out with my uncle, with the Uncle Zara album. And I keep it for the time until now. So all of me I say, I close out by saying, you see the $50 picture man, the $50 picture man used to take picture on the school compound. From 1999 to 2009. in a seat. I went time upon state school compound now from 2014 to 2000 and in a seat to 2024. Because I still can't go upon state school come and take picture. I can't go upon state school come and take picture still, but I just me refuse to. Just me refuse to because I can't buy the school compound again. I go stay in my yard. I go stay in my yard and sell the pictures them. Coming up on state school compound 2014, I take picture for $100. Tell our people I sent to you, I want to take picture, I sent it for $100. We want to take picture for about, you understand? You see, for them bag of money, they on state school compound, I take picture for $100. I go and spread my thing, I go and spread the love and spread the joy. And I have all of them state picture them. On CD. I have all of them on, in a seat. On CD. I have all I have Knibb school picture them like 2005 on CD see me. But I talk them treasure yeah. Them are treasure. Them are treasure. All the film one them. Tomorrow I go talk about it more still, you know. Only can yeah man. Cause me go every picture me take me up them. So who appreciate them high school days and want by the high school picture? Yeah man. Both a Knibb, Titus and Mushet. Only can get them. I'm going to tell you, yeah man, as soon as I get the film scanner, I'm going to start spit out them picture. I'm going to spit out the picture them on the CD still, because I'm a CD burner now. Yeah man, we'll talk about that tomorrow still, because I talk about, yeah man, so I want to know, say, only can get to know high school pictures them. Spread the word. When the film scanner drop on my foot, because I go buy myself, I don't want nobody help me buy. Because none of them picture now put up on Facebook, you know. And on school website now get them, you know. Because if states and Knibb want my picture, I go pay for them. Yeah, I go far with the money. Because I have all the great, because I have all the student athlete them. Yeah man, anybody want the pictures them? Yeah man. I'm going to tell you no can get them. Because I have no people in my WhatsApp. In my WhatsApp something there. Yeah man. Then my WhatsApp see me. So as I say, I just say I'm going to start my content in my morning time. And then me, myself and wife gym. Me enjoy my high school days. From 79 at States to 83 and Knibb. I mean best life that. And anybody know say the high school days in the best life, never did love school. And for your love school, you know the high school days are your best of your life. And that's you find true friends and real friends. I'm glad to know say God set me upon school compound so I can take the kids them pictures them and I have them see me lock and a lock and key. See them yeah? This is what I just take out in the man. You have a half a barrel on there man. With pictures, you know, dance all pictures all about me take. Every picture me take from in a seat from 1998 until now me have them. So and that me go stay on me yard and now. So them out, put them in a phone and put them by years and months and so forth. Who want them pictures they can link me. Because me tell people say me have to walk street and take pictures again. Me can stay on me yard and sell pictures. Yeah man, so and there's one love, you hear me? There's one love. And big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Yes, Aya.